Hey creators! Today's video could save your channel's monetization. I'm sharing my real experience of how I lost my YouTube Partner Program status due to one simple oversight. This is a must-watch if you're monetized or planning to monetize. I was working rotating shifts at my new job, sometimes nights, sometimes days. Because of my hectic schedule, I missed this email for 30 days. The email warned that YouTube had changed their policy about pre-signed YPP terms. I had 30 days to ensure my channel met the requirements, or my contract would be invalidated. Guess what? I saw it too late. The consequences were immediate: lost my monetization status, had to requalify from scratch, lost earnings potential during this period, and all this happened while my channel was actually doing well. Here's how you can avoid my mistake. 1. Set up email notifications on your phone specifically for YouTube. 2. Create a dedicated email folder for YouTube communications. 3. Schedule weekly channel management time, even if you're busy. 4. Set calendar reminders to check your monetization status monthly. Don't let your hard work go to waste. One missed email cost me my monetization. Take action now, check your email settings, set up those notifications, and stay on top of YouTube's requirements. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with other creators. Let's help each other succeed.